Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I have another cool product to share with you guys from xCool. They're a long-running partner with the channel. They like to send out items that they think you'd be interested in, and today is a very cool item here. This is their wireless HDMI transmitter to receiver here. And what that means is we're going to use our transmitter here on a laptop, Nintendo Switch, Xbox. You can use any kind of HDMI device you want to send wirelessly to the receiver here that gets plugged into your TV, projector, or display. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of this, show you what all comes with it here, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the usage at the end. We also have a really cool deal going on from xCool at the end of the video, so stick around for that as well. But if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. With all that said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's take a quick look at the unboxing experience here and what's all included. As always, xCool always has their branding right up top. Nice shiny standout logo. They also have some information on the sides here about the product on both sides, so you can check that out. And then they also have some information on the back. Like always, they do a really good job at packaging. This did come with cellophane on it. I just pulled that off. Now with that said, let's check out the actual unboxing experience. So as always, they have their nice little instruction booklet. It's always very consistent throughout their products. You have both the sender and the receiver here for the HDMI wireless cast system. So you have both of those, and then you have all of these cables. You got both charging or power cables here. You have an extender cable for HDMI if you can't plug it straight into like the back of the TV. And then you have all of these HDMI adapters, such as HDMI to USB-C or HDMI to micro HDMI. So you have all sorts of power adapter options, so you can hook it up to basically anything. But overall, that's everything that's included in the package. So let's go ahead and get into testing this. All right, guys. So as you can see, we are now hooked up wirelessly from the laptop to the desktop using the PlugNCast wireless transmitter from xCool. We're on their website called coolgadget.com. I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description below if you want to purchase one of these and maybe save some money off with our code. Now with that said, I'm going to show you guys how well this works with little to no lag on here. We're going to double click on their imagery and you can see all of the different items that are compatible with this, this product here. So you have desktops, laptops, cameras, phones, Switch, and PS4 for the transmitter. And then for the receiver, you have like TVs like this, monitors or projectors. Pretty much anything with an HDMI cable you're going to either send or receive to. So just keep that in mind. Here's a couple other features just to show you how little lag there is between this. You have the option to mirror the screens like I am with you right now, or you can extend the screen for like an extended monitor. So that's super cool. It also has a privacy one-click button mode here. And then here's the setup guide. It's as simple as plugging it into the computer and plugging it into the back of the TV with a power source. So just keep that in mind. You will need a power source. Here's the unboxing again. We already covered the unboxing. I think you guys get the point of that. Overall, I'll show you transitioning from one tab to another. Here's our website on Fresh Start Customs on Etsy. If you do own like laser engravers and you want laser engraving designs, we sell hundreds of them. All of these are custom made by us. We have hundreds of different designs available. Last but not least, xCool wanted me to let you know that they are doing a cool gadget mystery item, as you can see here on the screen. Basically, it's $10. You can add this to the cart if you're going to go ahead and purchase this wireless casting device. And then you can get up to $50 worth of items. So super cool. Here's just different things that they have available that could be a possibility that you can get in that little mystery item. So I just wanted to show you guys that because they wanted me to mention that for you too. I'll put a link down in the description below for those as well. Other than that, I think this is a super cool product. Hopefully I can show some like laser editing features, maybe have the TV on the wall back here while we're doing laser reviews in the future. So that's something cool. We may do that in the future too. But if you have any questions about this product or this video in general, let me know, as always, in the comments below. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.